I really like this hostel because the vibe is amazing. There's many young people and it's a very social hostel, so everybody is down to talk or to go out, to do activities during the day. So if you go here solo traveling, you'll never be alone.
I think it's really nice too. Very chill and relaxed, but later it gets more fun. It's pretty crazy.
When I arrived, literally head out the door and see all the sights in Madrid. Everything's really close by, so it's such a great location. You don't have to get an Uber or anything, you can walk everywhere. It was happy hour at the bar. Slowly we pile in and we all just say hi to each other. Everyone's really friendly, everyone's willing to start a conversation, and here we are now.
It's very young and hip and fun, I'd say.
It's not like other hostels where you turn up and you're kind of stuck all by yourself, not able to make friends. It's very easy and it makes your whole trip in Madrid a lot better and more fun.